So hey, what is up guys, come back to another video, and in this video we are going to see some tips and tricks of the command prompt. Don't know what command prompt is? Command prompt is a terminal of the Windows, a very old window terminal. Yes, from starting window use command prompt terminal. So I'm going to tell what their terminal is. Terminal is simply just a window. You can see this type of window. This is command prompt. You can type some commands here to go to the any of the directory. Like if you type dir, you can see all the file folder in which your directory, in which in directory you are in the command prompt. Like you can see we are at the C users and then del. So let's go to cd and then d colon slash backslash, and then I have a folder called code playground. Let's go here and type in dir. Okay, let's go to root, which is our C, and dir, and we got these all the folder which is actually present in this directory. So this is the thing you can do with the command prompt, and you use command prompt if you are a programmer. I am saying that you use. So in this video I'm going to tell you some tips and tricks of the command prompt that you can use to maximize your productivity with command prompt. So let's get started. So the first thing is the color. What I mean to say with color. So actually you can see this is like the command prompt looked like a hacking tool and like you are hacking, but the color is white. In most of the hacking things, the color is green. So to change the color of this font, the one thing is right click here or and go to properties. But the second thing is the type here my command prompt. To open command prompt, just type here CMD and you can open it. Okay, so or you can open it in a folder. So I'm going to open it here, or you can type Windows R key, so you will get this window, and type here CMD, and okay, you got the CMD also here. Now here type color or type help color. You got something. What? 0 equals to black, and 1 equals to blue, 2 equals to green. What does it mean? I will cover that. Simply just type in color and then 0, and if you type 0, what? It doesn't do anything, obviously. Oh wow, just type here color and type the 01, and your color is blue. You can choose any of them. I'm going to say like color and then 02 to get green color. Oh wow, we are hacking. Just joking. So, and one more trick. No, one more trick not. Just the trick is that when you type here CLS, so it will clear all that thing, but I don't want this. I want this here. So the second thing is prompt. You can see we have the C users del here, but what if I want something else here? We can also do this. Just type in help prompt. We get some codes here. One is when you type here $A, you get the ampersand. When you type $B, you get the pipe. When you type $C, you get the left parentheses, and you can also see $F get the right parentheses. And we can do all that thing. So I want I want the, let's see that I can make something with this. So when we type a dash p, so it will say current drive and path. So just type in, I'm going to say prompt and then Noman Numan at hacker. What? No, it doesn't like code. So we can also see here current time dollar sign less than single current drive current path. I'm going to say prompt dollar n prompt, sorry, I want prompt dollar n. First it show our current drive, and then I want underscore here. Let's say the, if we got something and dollar s to get a space, and then the let's move it with the dollar l, so it will make a less than symbol here, or with the dollar g. I think we got this. Let's say I'm confused here. Let's say dollar n and then pipe dollar p or dollar b. What is this? Dollar b, and after that pipe we want the no man, and then after this I want a less than symbol, so dollar g. That's it. And when we enter, you can see we got this C Noman. Oh wow, it is not amazing, but we can make it amazing. You can customize it by your own. I'm going to say dollar, so it will make dollar like the, like in the Linux we also have this type of thing. Yes, so let's say prompt dollar, and this pipe doesn't look good here. Let's say dollar here, and now it look good. CLS to clear this, but I don't want to clear this. You can make it anything you want. Yes, anything. You can also get it back by the typing here dollar p and then dollar g. So you got it back. So you can see first we have this type of, and then we convert it to like this, and then we convert it to like this, and then we got it back. So our second thing is our second tip is that I have pointed here all that thing. So second is attrib. So actually what does attrib do? You want to hide a folder, but when you hide a folder or file, anyone can access the file by, if he go like, I open any folder, like let's open this, and I'm going to say new folder and go here. And now if I make a hidden folder here, anyone can access this by going here and check this hidden items. But how to hide it? That anyone cannot access this, just if he know the command of the command prompt. So the second thing I want to tell, that if you enter in your this path CMD, it will open command prompt in that folder. So first one more time I'm going to say color and 02, so it convert it to green. CLS to clear this, and here now I want first making a folder. If you know that how to create a folder in the command prompt, that's a simple command mkdir and your folder name. I'm going to you can also type in the quotation mark. I'm going to say like hidden or super secret folder super secret folder. Now you can see we got this super secret folder here. Super secret folder, I want to hide it. So how to hide it? Just type attrib plus h plus s plus r and then your folder name. I'm going to name it super secret folder. And oh, it is hidden. It is hidden. Okay, we can see it, but if we uncheck this, you can see we can't see this. And we can also show it. Okay, so how to get back this folder in its normal form? Just enter this command one more time and replace the r and replace the plus with the minus or dash and enter. We got this back. That's a simple command, and you can also do this. Our next step is the copy to clipboard. So actually if we type here command like ls, okay, sorry, not ls, dir, ls in the Linux. So we got the super secret folder. We have the super secret folder in this. Yeah, super secret folder. Let's make or more folder mkdir new mkdir new 1 new 2 mkdir and the new 3. So we have so much folder now. Here we have 4 folders. Now if I type dir, we got these all folders. But what if there are so many folders, or there are a command that lists so much long thing? So how we can copy this thing? We can also copy it by selecting this and control shift C to copy this. And yeah, we copied this. You can see we copied this. And but how we can copy it automatically? So to copy this, just type the command you want to execute and then the pipe and then clip. I'm going to set it to the white help color first. Help, okay, not help color because it say take the help of all things. Okay, so what is the white? Okay, 07. I'm going to type a color 07 because you can see it now very perfectly. And now you can see what we are okay, first your command and then pipe symbol and then clip, just this, and enter. It doesn't print anything. And now if I go somewhere and like here I go, and oh, it copy all the content that the command show. Amazing. You can do it just by one thing. I'm going so now our last tip is print all installed program in your PC, and the command is vmic product get name. Vmic product get name. One more time, vmic, what is it? I forgot it sometime. vmic and then product get name and enter. What does it do? Oh, so it doesn't do anything because one more time I'm gonna execute this, and then wmic and then the product get name and enter. Okay, I don't know if it work. because I doesn't use this command anymore. Yeah, paste this, paste, and okay. I don't know why it doesn't working, but I will tell you some commands more. So first command is if config it, sorry, ipconfig ipconfig, and you got all the thing about your network. This command is amazing. You can see my IP address, and I'm not going to show you my IP address just for fun, and CLS for clear all that item, and CD to go to any directory, like root means your C drive, ls, sorry, not ls, dir. And one more thing, I show you so much thing of the command prompt, but I will recommend you not command prompt. I will recommend you the PowerShell, because it is the more advanced terminal for the Windows, and not for Windows. It is for all. You can see I can also type clear, not CLS, just clear. And if I want to list something, I can say ls, means it has Linux commands also, and we can also script it. You can see PowerShell IAC. Go and run this, and you can see we can also do shell scripting. You can see here I'm going to type one simple command, write host, and hello world. Save this somewhere, just save it here. Okay, script, and you can see when I run this by clicking here, we got the hello world. You can do shell scripting. You can learn shell scripting with PowerShell. Integrated terminal for Windows. For advanced terminal, I will recommend you the PowerShell, and PowerShell have more advanced option for but for basic use, command prompt is the best, and because it is faster than PowerShell. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoy video and learn something new. Bye bye. Bye bye.